nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature. You know the IUPAC International Union, P for pure, A for applied, and C for chemistry. So International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Correct. So here, this branch has released some rules and a few names which we need to follow for organic compounds over here. So I would like to discuss with you haloalkanes and haloarenes के लिए we have a formula that is as the name itself the formula. The name is haloalkane, so that is the IUPAC name के लिए it's the rule. Okay, it's a formula. So for example, if I have a aliphatic halides, okay, alkyl halides, that means R and X, and by the name also we call it as a haloalkane. And best part, the same we would be following the formula as like a formula. So suppose for example R ki jagah we have, suppose R is equals to what? Alkyl, CH3. So if we have CH3 over here and X is equals to Cl, right, we can say this is the compound. And for this compound, what will be the IUPAC name? X for the halo, right? And the halo is taken Cl. So we call it as a chloro, correct? So we call it as a chloro. By general name, we call it as a chloride. But when it comes to the IUPAC nomenclature, and here it is called as CHLORO, chloro. Clear? So the prefix, it is considered as a prefix. Okay. So chloro, and since one carbon present over here, so it is called as methane. So let me revise for you. When we start the nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature, there are two steps which are very, very important. The first step is the numbering, right? Numbering of parent carbon chain. And second is the naming. Naming follows the same rule applicable for all organic compounds. Naming rule goes in this order: prefix number, okay, prefix number plus prefix name, and then goes to the root word. Okay, you must be knowing about the root word. Carbon 1 ke liye meth, eth, prop simultaneously, right? 2 3 ke liye we will going. So root word ke baad we will add the primary suffix. We'll write primary suffix. And after primary suffix, we have secondary suffix. So here what happens when we have primary suffix, like they will be holding A, N, E suffix, isn't it? Let me talk on this topic, primary suffix and the secondary suffix, what happens when they are falling together. In this case, we do not have secondary suffix, no worry. But in a general, I'm talking to you. If we have, for example, primary suffix A, N, E, it must be carrying E along with it, right? The rule says when you are adding secondary suffix, for example, alcohol ka OL, all, right? So what you need to do is you need to drop this E over here so that you can make OL attached with the AN. So this is how after dropping, they get attached and they form a name as ANOL, all. Clear? Whenever secondary suffix come, in that case, when we do not have secondary suffix, we did not to bother, right? Bother. We just leave that part ANE. As here you can see haloalkane, same. So haloalkane ke liye we have to follow this. This will be exactly as like the formula, prefix number, prefix name. So in this case, if you have the substituent side chain, then we will be getting the prefix and number, name. Otherwise, we can go ahead from the root word, primary suffix. That's all. That's all this name holds with it. Okay. Haloalkane. So here the name goes as chloro. Chloro is the prefix. Okay. We did not to write the number because it's at one position only. So chloro, and one carbon ke liye meth, and ANE is the primary suffix. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Chloromethane. Exactly looks like a haloalkane. Same. So what is the rule? What is the formula for haloalkane? Its name itself, it's a rule. Its name itself, it's a formula. So remember this prefix, okay, number, name, root word. This is going to help you to write the compound which are in present in a branch form. Or suppose if you have other substituents present over here, you would be writing in a smooth manner. So first step is numbering, very, very important. If you number the parent carbon chain correctly, you would be able to write the name correctly. Then come to the name. Clear?